Boys and girls, I am so glad you're here this morning. I have got a frog in my throat. So, Mrs. Malone's going to help me, and I want to tell you something. We have not got to get together to give out awards for a long, long time. So this is the first day that we're getting to do that. And so Mrs. Malone's going to talk to you about some things that we're going to remember about winning and losing. But before we do that, now that you've done such a nice job, you're seated so quietly and so nicely. But we're going to stand up and we're going to face the flag and we're going to say our pledge and our mission statement together. Put your hand over your heart, face the flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The mission of the Earth Center is to be safe and happy place to learn. Wow, they know that so well.
All right, my friends, sit back down. Stress out.
And teachers, I think the chairs are back in that closet. We didn't prepare that ahead, so if you want to grab yourself a chair, those are back there. Okay, we are going to get started with our math awards today. So,
All right, my friends, our math awards are, we have some friends from the Community Bank of Harrisonville. We have Brandy and Jacqueline. Yes. Before we do our math awards, though, I want to talk about something really, really fast. Raise your hand if you are a Layla in kindergarten. We have lots and lots of Laylas, lots and lots of Lilies. Make sure you're listening for your first and your last name to make sure it's your award. Now, we have lots of assemblies in kindergarten, okay? Not everybody's getting an award today. Is that okay? Yes. Are we going to cheer our friends on even if we don't get an award today?
yes.
All right, our first math award is going to go to Elena Malone. Come on up, girl. Carly Scoville. Kobe Wilson. Damian Nelson. Damian, come on up here, buddy. Luke Bodorf. Ada Howard. Cooper Frazier. Zoe Crotty. All right, can everybody give them a round of applause for all our friends?
You guys look at me and smile. Okay, I want to take a picture. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Good job.
Good job. You guys can go back to your spots.
And let's thank our friends from Community Bank of Harrisville because they know how important that is. Thank you guys.
All right, the next award we're going to give is the Terrific Citizen Award. This is given from your teacher that the award is about respect. Okay, so they chose one friend from every class. You're going to get a certificate, and then you'll get a shirt later. Okay, the first one is Lucas Butler. Rowan Terwilliger. Bryson Westover. Remington Rogers. Cecilia Lennon. Zach Dover. Branson Martin.
Look at me. Right, there you go.
Good job, you guys. Go back to your seats. All right, the Terrific Citizen, we'll do this one again. For the staff member is Miss Jonna Weber. Oh, yes. Did you guys notice the blue line out by the car rider line? Miss Weber did that.
She got on her hands and knees.
She did.
So we appreciate her. She's a terrific citizen.
All right. All right, I'm going to give my PE award. I've been watching for friends that are making good decisions, being good listeners when we're using our scooters and all of our PE equipment, who's working on skipping and galloping and running safely. So listen for your name. Braden Kukendall. Joyce Stevens. Raiden Keggers. Paisley Opak. Evelyn Roach. Maddie Carroll. Avery Gilmore. And Lakeland Long. She's not here, so she'll get her award at a later time. Ready?
Can you smile at me?
All right, boys and girls, your teachers have been looking, and I've been looking too, for friends who are being fantastic friends. You're being kind and helpful and friendly at school every day. And so from each class, we have one winner of the Fantastic Friend Award this school year. Can we call your name? Come on up. Zayden Brown. Peyton Vanderecken. Macklin Hamilton. Zaylee Hattrick. Bryn Goucher, Brinley Caldwell, Aria Woolery.
All right, look at me. Stay cool over here. Stay agency. There you go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
All right, boys and girls, I've been watching friends in my art class this year who have done a really great job of using their art supplies and cleaning up afterwards and listening to all of the directions that we have when we do our art projects. So I've picked one student from each class who's going to get an art award today. Miles Menino, Max Rain, Max Rain, Fletcher Huckabee, Ethan Coltrane, Maddie Schroeder, Charlotte Doherty, Layla Reynolds, and she's not here today, but Scarlett Miller is our last one.
Smile. Ready?
Got it. Okay, I've also been watching my friends in music class, and I've been noticing the friends who are listening and trying their very best when we sing and we do all of our music activities. So my first friend is Peyton Chenoweth. Brady Rohrvig, Rowan Stafford, Jairo Garcia, Abel Fuller, Sammy Killingsworth, Caroline Ramos, and Jasmine Collins.
Miss Tyler. There you go. Smile. Okay, pull it down just a little bit. I can't see your smile. There you go. All right, there you go. Got it. Thank you. Good job.
All right, that concludes, that finishes our awards for today. And just remember, if you didn't get an award today, that's okay. It might be your turn the next time. One thing I want to tell you is that I think you are the best audience we have ever had. You did so good. So if your class collects compliments, Your class just got a compliment from me, okay? So when you go back to your class, your teacher will give you a compliment for that. So great job. Now what I want you to do is I want you to stay put until your teacher asks you to get up and walk quietly back to your classrooms, and you'll put your awards in your backpacks. All right, so thank you and have a great day. You did a great job.